Good morning, children. Today in moral science we are going to do lesson 9, hard work the key to success. So children, whatever we work, we have to work hard to get it. Okay? Like in future you want to become a doctor, engineer or anything, businessman. To do that you have to work hard in your studies. Is that clear? So now let's start this chapter. Some children study only when there is a test or an exam. As result, such children do not score good marks. So children, there are some children who studies only in the time of exam or test, so that such children do not score good marks. So here is a story of a boy called Yash. So children, here was a boy whose name was Yash. So I am going to tell a story about this boy whose name is Yash. So Yash was very weak in studies. He did not feel like to studying. He used to study only when exams are near. Okay children, so there was one boy whose name was Yash, and he was not feel like to studies. He was not studying at all, but he used to studies when exams are near. As a result, he could not score good marks. So as a result, he could not score. His teachers and parents were not happy with him. So the way he was behaving, the way he was studying, his parents and teachers were not happy with him. One day his teacher called him. So what happened one day? One day his teacher called him. He showed him an ant trying to climb a wall. Then he saw him a ant that was trying to climb a wall. You can see here. And the ant fell down every time it tried to climb whenever the ant was trying to climb up, he used to fall down, but it did not give up and kept trying. But that ant did not give up and he kept on trying. After falling 6 or 7 times, it finally climbed the wall. So what happened to that ant? He was trying to climb you can see here the picture of the ant. He was trying to climb the wall, but whenever he was climbing the wall, he was falling down. Again he was climbing, again he was falling, again he was climbing, again he was climbing. Continuously 6 to 7 times he was climbing and falling, but finally climbed the wall. But finally he reached the top of the wall. Yes teacher said, you must learn something from his hard-working ant. Then his teacher said that yes, you should learn something hard-working from this ant. You saw that the ant fell down so many times, but still she kept trying. Similarly, we all must keep trying till we succeed. We should never give up. Every day make it a point to study regularly. Never give up trying, for you should keep on trying till you succeed. Here his teacher is telling to him that yes, you should also try like ant. Whenever you are doing any hard work, you have to, if you have failed once, you have to do again and again till you get that succeed. So yes, listen to his sir very carefully. Yes understood what his teachers was trying to say. Then yes came to understood that what his teacher was trying to make him understand. From then on, he made it a point to study daily. So from that day, he started to study daily. As a result, he came first in his class. So when result came, he became first in the class. Everybody praised him a lot. He went to his teachers and thanked him for his good advice. So when he came first to his class, you see how all his friends are congratulating him. So when he came first to his class, his parents, his teachers and all his friends were happy, and he went to his teachers to say thank you for his good advice. So children, what you have learned from this? So children, we have learned that thoughts for the day: never give up trying. So children, we should never give up trying. Suppose if you want anything, if you want to study but you can't. Once you are doing, you are failing. Again you are doing, you are failing. Don't worry children. Try and try till you succeed. So hope you will become like yours and you will become first in your classes. Hope you have understood this chapter. Thank you all. Have a nice day.